Hey, what is going on, guys? It's you, the tech guy here. I'm back with another video. In this video review, I'll be showing you guys the Huawei MediaPad M2 Premium Edition 8.0. So let me show you the specs of this tablet. So this thing has ultra fast speed Huawei current series CPU, which is octa-core 2 GHz 64-bit processor. It supports Wi-Fi 11 AC, and it supports dual bands 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. It has hi-fi class sound effect, which is Harman Kardon, and the display on this is 8-inch 1920 by 1200. I think so. It's an IPS LCD, and it has a full metal shell. So let's just unbox it. So let me just pull off this. Alright, so guys, this is the tablet itself. Let me just oops. So what does this thing consist of? So these are the user manuals. Let me put that right there. This is the power brick. It's not a fast charger, it's just a simple one. Some headphones. Alright, so headphones. Data cable, which is standard micro USB 2.2 cable. So let's just put all the things in here. Alright, so guys, now let's talk about the Huawei MediaPad. Alright guys, so now this is wrapped in beautiful, it's wrapped in plastic. So it says it has full metal shell, full HD IPS screen, 8 cores CPU and 64 bits, eye care mode, Harman Kardon speakers. So let's just unwrap it. Alright guys, where is the plastic? So this is the Huawei MediaPad, a real beautiful. Let me just peel it off. This is the Huawei MediaPad, as you guys can see. Full metal shell, which is really beautiful, I think, I must say. One speaker here and one speaker here. Stereo sound, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB 2.0, volume rockers, and a power button right there. So let's just boot it up. I think it has some juice. Let me just zoom in a little bit. What else it has? Oh yeah, this is the 4G version of it, which consists of a micro SIM right there and a micro SD card, which can support up to 256 gigabytes. This is the premium version, which means it is 32 gigabyte and it has 3 GB of RAM. So let me just next skip, continue, stick with the terms, begin. So okay guys, so as you guys can see here, this is the tablet itself. I must say it has some really good colors. And let's talk about the camera. The camera on this is 8 megapixel back and 2 megapixel front camera. You might be wondering how to answer the calls. All the calls sound will come from the top speaker right from there. This is speaker right there, and it has 2 speakers which can produce a stereo sound. So let's just unlock it. So this is it. Let me just show you the settings. So let me just go to the about tablet, and it's running on Android version 5.1.1 Lollipop. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM, Hazel Kirin 930 processor in it, 1200 by 1920 display, which is IPS LCD, and EMUI 3.1. So this is it guys. Hope you guys enjoy my video, and please like and subscribe my videos. Subscribe to these channels. If you have any other question regarding this device, just comment down below, and peace.